In this video, I am going to teach you how to connect GoHighLevel with Make.com. So if you want to establish a connection with your Make account and your GoHighLevel, first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to GoHighLevel.com. You should be able to see this. So in this part, if you do not have an account yet, just head over and click onto this 14-day free trial and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to successfully create a new account. Now, if you already have an account, head over and click on this login to app, and then just input your credentials. Since I already have an account, let me head over and click on this login, and it should be able to redirect me to my launchpad or my dashboard. Now, into this, what we can do is we can click onto the settings option that we can see right here. Click on this, and from this, just scroll down right there until you can see this the integrations. Click on the integrations right here. Now just wait for this, and as you can see a lot of integrations that you can connect. You can connect your Gmail, your calendar, Wave, Shopify, and the likes. So you can just find in here make.com. If you can find it right here, you can go over it right here to the private integrations and click on this create new integration. Enter in here the name. Let's name this make.com. You can input a description, and from in there you can just provide it all together. Let's input right here this. And from in there, you can just give it your basic information. Click on next right here and enter in here the scope and choose in here the scopes for that. Then click on create. And then after that, you can see this created into your integration. Alternatively, you can also go to the marketplace of your GoHighLevel in order to integrate your Make.com into this altogether. So into this part, you can go back, then go over to the app marketplace. You can see in here all the applications. You can just search in here for make.com if it's available right here. As you can see, here is make.com. And into this part, just head over and click on install in order to add this. So that's how you connect GoHighLevel with make.com. Hope we helped.